Hey everyone. So, when I checked my mail the other day, I got a few things in. So, I'm hoping, and I think it is, I don't remember if you guys, well, I don't know if y'all remember if you watched it or not, when I did my opening of Shimmer Shine, Shimmer Shine, I believe. Yeah, Shimmer Shine. Anyhow, I had ordered a llama LED light and it was broke. So, after a long time, they finally got a hold of me, or, responded back to me, I should say. Not got a hold of me, but responded back to me, and said that they would send me a new one. This box, I can tell you, already looks in way better shape than what the other one did. I'll put a link up here if you haven't watched that video. It was just pretty sad. It really was. I mean, the box in itself was sad looking, but this one actually looks like it's in really good shape. So keep your fingers crossed that the llama is in the same good condition. So here we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. Super cute, right? Okay. Already you can see that the box is in just so much better shape. And no pieces fell out. Yay! She is whole. Look at that. I'm not seeing any cracks. Nothing broke. Awesome. Have to get some batteries. It looks like AA, so I think I got some in this house somewhere. Alright, so your basic toolkit, wax. This I would probably just use for garbage or something. Let's take a look at the drills. Sticky. Okay, so you got a pretty bubblegum pink color. Oh, really pretty blue. Like a darker pink, almost like a fuchsia. Really pretty. Oh, wow. Really, really pretty. With an intruder. I love that blue. And then your, I don't know, your orange colors. And then your whites with some garbage, it looks like. Or no, just a couple of intruders. But, ooh, that's going to be pretty. That is going to be really pretty. So definitely a lot happier with them now. So, all right, awesome. Okay, gonna be that short video, but I know, I think it's super cute. Hey, okay, so I did a video showing you how I had a lot of problems with the Shimmer Shine, and I'm gonna tell you again right now. Is it nice? Yeah. Is it worth the money? Absolutely not. I had a lot of problems for one. I mean, it's second grade best, like B rated kind of movie best, right? Quality. Especially for the prices that they have. So I'm still not gonna sit there and give them a recommendation. And I know I got a lot of hype and people going after me because I dissed them on my first video, but you know what? Even now, and I'm not angry at them because I finally got it, replaced and it is in perfect condition, but it really is. I mean, this is loose, right? Like, I mean, it's loose. These didn't even snap in right, so I'm afraid that, oh, well, yeah, there you go, see? And a gem just fell out, and I lost the light. So now, yeah, so I'm sorry, it's second rate. Does it light up? It does. Nope, well, it's in there. You can see that it's in there. Oh, see? Now I'm going to have to fish that out. But yeah, so was it worth it? No, it wasn't. But, alright, so there's that. Let me show you what I have finished. Oh, don't ask me where I got these because I don't remember. Yeah, I really don't remember. Look at these. I think these were my CES deals. Look at that. Super cute. Look at these little llamas. Now these are keychains. I just haven't done the keychains because I haven't, decided who I'm going to give them to. I love this one. Look how super colorful. That one. Is he not just the coolest? Yeah, he thinks he's all cool. He's that one that's like, yeah, I'm bad. And you know it. Don't forget it, right? And then I did this. Now, I do still have a couple more of these. But it just opens this. I don't get it. Like, people can open these, like, so easy, and I can't. Yeah, I still can't open it. So, is it worth it to me? Absolutely not. I would pay maybe $5. I'll go with $5 just because of the gems. But for yeah, I can't even open. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, and I haven't even glued this down yet. Like, you know how some people will put like Tombow or Mod Podge or whatever. Like, I haven't done that with any of these at all. So none of this has been sealed. It is just straight up how it is. But gotta admit, that is gorgeous. But I can't open that. I can close this and open that, but this one I can't open it. Alright, so this was, like I said, it was more about this because, I did a revamp of, okay, let me apologize, for those who thought I was mean on my first review with Shimmer Shine. But I'll tell you what, after doing this, I still gotta say, they're not worth it. My mind just really hasn't changed. It still is the same. So, I mean, if y'all want to try them out, go ahead and look them up and try them out. I'm not saying don't. I'm just saying, in my opinion, they're not worth it. They're not worth the money. So, but that's just my opinion. Anyhow, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever time you're watching this. And I will see you next time. I love y'all. And as always, don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.